Welcome to The Explainer. Today we are tearing up the old marketing rulebook and diving into what it takes to win in 2026. This isn't just an update, it's a total rewrite, all thanks to one massive thing, the great AI shift.
Okay, let's just let that sink in for a second. That quote from Neil Patel, it's not just a catchy line for a presentation, it's a wake-up call. There is a huge, fundamental shift happening under our feet, and the playbooks that got us here, well, they're becoming obsolete, fast.
And this table right here really gets to the heart of it. See, AI isn't just another tool you can add to your toolkit. It's a brand new operating system for marketing. We're talking about a move away from selling billable hours to getting paid for real, verified outcomes. We're shifting from just executing tasks to orchestrating these complex, intelligent systems. This isn't an update, people. It's a total rebuild.
So, in a world where AI is basically the new gatekeeper to your customers, if you're still using that old playbook, you're going to become invisible. So today, we're going to unpack the 3 fundamental shifts you absolutely have to understand to win in 2026.
All right, let's get into our first major shift. I need you to forget almost everything you know about search, because the very idea of a click is being completely rewritten as we speak. You've probably felt this, right? You look at your analytics and you're thinking, wait, where's my search traffic going? Well, you're not imagining it. Clicks are disappearing because users are getting what they need without ever visiting a web page. And this number, this tells the whole story. 26%. More than a quarter of all searches just end right there. No click. That's the new reality. AI-powered search engines, things like Google's AI overviews, they're doing the work. They synthesize all the information and just hand the answer directly to the user. Your website, it just got completely bypassed. This means our whole goal has to change. It's not about climbing to the top of a list of blue links anymore. No, the new game is becoming the trusted, authoritative source that the AI models themselves quote in their answers. That's the new #1 spot. And here's the kicker. You're not just marketing to people anymore. You are now marketing to AI agents. They're your primary audience now, and they're the new gatekeepers standing between your brand and your actual customers. Okay, let's move on to the second big shift. Now that literally anyone with an internet connection can generate endless content with a simple prompt, we've got a whole new problem, which, of course, is also a huge opportunity. I mean, think about it. AI has basically industrialized content creation. The stuff that used to take teams of people weeks to do, it's now being spit out in seconds. The sheer volume and efficiency is just mind-boggling. But that creates a really interesting paradox, doesn't it? When everybody is using the same machines, all trained on the same data, everything starts to look and sound exactly the same. We're drowning in a sea of AI-generated sameness, and nothing really stands out. And this is what we call the authenticity premium. As AI content floods every single channel, what do you think people are going to crave? They're going to crave the one thing the machines can't fake: real stories, genuine expertise, a distinct human point of view. Authenticity is no longer a nice-to-have. It's your core competitive strategy. Let's dig into the third and final shift. This is where AI finally delivers on a promise that marketers have been chasing for decades. We're making a massive leap here. We're going from broad segmentation, marketing to people who like this kind of thing, to true one-to-one individualization. We're talking about a world where every single touchpoint with a customer is uniquely relevant to that person in that moment. In the data, it's crystal clear. People don't just like this, they expect it. And they will absolutely reward the brands that get it right. We're talking about personalized experiences driving up to 40% more revenue than the generic one-size-fits-all approach. That's huge. And look, this isn't just about putting someone's first name in an email anymore. We are talking about AI generating thousands of unique video ads on the fly, each one tailored to an individual's browsing history or their past purchases. It's dynamic, it's adaptive, and it's happening across the entire customer journey. So, what does this all mean for you? Right now, how do you actually put this stuff into practice? Let's take these massive shifts and boil them down into a clear, actionable plan. Okay, here it is, your new playbook. Step 1, master answer engine optimization. Stop chasing clicks, start becoming the answer. 2, double down on what makes you human. Lead with real insight and authenticity. 3, personalize every single touch point. Go all in on mass one-to-one. And finally, number 4, and this is the big one for you personally, evolve your role from just doing tasks to orchestrating these incredible AI systems. I love this quote because it just perfectly captures your new role. The AI, it can handle the what. It can process the data, it can generate the content, it can automate the workflow. But you provide the so what. You bring the strategic insight, the creative spark, the judgment that actually makes it all matter.
And that, right there, is the big question you need to walk away with. As AI becomes this incredibly powerful engine that runs everything in marketing, our job completely changes. We're not just passengers anymore. We're the drivers. We're the ones orchestrating these intelligent systems that will absolutely define the future of how brands connect with people.